Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to real simple ways to make money in 2025, then this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down to legit ways you can earn with Temu using just your phone, your link, and a bit of hustle. In case you are new, Temu is an online shopping platform, kind of like Amazon or AliExpress, but known for super low prices and crazy promotions. But here's the thing, Temu is not just a shopping, you can actually make money from it. Let me show you how. Let's start with the Temu Invite and Earn program. This is the easiest and fastest way to start. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search Temu and install it. Or you can browse on your web browser like that. Create an account with your Google account or email or phone number. Now get your invite link. When you are in, click now log into your account. I'm going to log in with my Google account. So wait a minute. The sign up process is very depending on your internet. My internet is pretty slow for today. Now once you are in, go to free gifts section or invite friends tab. Temu will give you a personal referral link. Then click get now. And select HR and confirm address. Invite new app users. Then send via WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Twitter, etc. Temu rewards you in multiple ways: cash, payouts, store credits, store credit, free products, coupons. Some users earn 50 to 20 $200 per week, depending on how many referrals they bring in. Next up, let's talk about the Temu affiliate program. Perfect for content creators or people with a social link account. Now go to affiliate.temu.com and sign up for an free account. It's totally free. They will approve you quickly. Even if you are a beginner, get your affiliate links. You can promote specific products or just the app. Every the someone clicks your link and buys something, you will earn a commission. Right, for how to get demo affiliate link. Now you can see here, after creating an account, select your country, then choose a product and copy that link, paste link, earn balance, and paste it on your social media like Facebook, YouTube, or any other platform. You don't need a huge audience. You can make product reviews videos, show unboxing, compare prices, Temu versus Amazon, etc. Most affiliates earn 5 to 20% commission, and with Temu's low prices and high volume, those clicks add up first. Here's how to boost your earnings even faster. Post consistently, especially with video. Join Facebook and TikTok groups and communities. Use short links with Bitly or relevantly. Promote trending or seasonal products like back to school, holidays, etc. Be transparent. People trust honesty over hype. And there you go. Two real way to make money with Temu in 2025. First is the invite and earn program. Then Temu affiliate marketing. It's really easy to use. Both are beginner friendly, no investment needed, and can be done from anywhere. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more money making tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on becoming a Temu affiliate. Thanks for watching and good luck with your earnings.